I have myself just recently buried 6 family members in the last 2 years. I had just come back from a funeral 2 days ago where my little nephew, my little cousin, pardon me, had passed away of an overdose out there. So this opioid crisis is not just here in BC; it's all over, and my little nephew here, my nephew Levi, was we buried 2 years ago, and he was in his early 20s. So, and our last relative, we just buried about a month and a half ago. The family's not really doesn't really want to bring up his name because there's still that shame behind addiction, you know, and they don't want to announce that. So, I really believe that we need to give the dignity back to for our people on the streets. As a recovering addict, I spent 20 years in my addiction. I'm a survivor of an overdose as well, you know. So for me, we need to help our people get well again. And for me, that means to bring culture as well as harm reduction. The harm reduction would mean that if there was a safe supply, they wouldn't be putting garbage in their arms. They wouldn't be smoking and injecting garbage. If I was junk sick, I would take whatever would help me get rid of that edge. And it's a very awful sickness, heroin withdrawal. So if we can just give a clean drug, clean supply, less people are dying. Also, the way we stigmatize, even as First Nations people, we stigmatize our own people by saying, you have to be clean and sober to be in my ceremony. Well, no, I truly am a believer, and I've been told by elders, you know, if you can bring cancer, you can bring AIDS, you can bring diabetes to our medicines, to our way of life. Why can you not bring addictions? I didn't choose to have cancer. I didn't choose to get HIV. I didn't choose diabetes. I didn't choose to be an addict.